Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really simple monochrome thank you cards. These haven't been made, they're still in bits, so I'm going to glue them together and give you some measurements. I've been making quite a lot of thank you cards just lately because I've been having a stash sale. So I've been popping a little card in with each one, and I've been making them really simple. Some of them, I've been calling them my one stamp wonders, where I've just used literally a white card and I've just stamped, we're using this thank you so much stamp. It's a fantastic stamp. It's from, I think it's a retired set called Thankful Thoughts, and it's one of the few stamp sets that I've actually held on to because, sorry about my phone going crazy over there, because it's just so useful to have all these little thank you sentiments. There is a new one in the new catalogue that I had my eye on, but I thought I'll hold on to this one, and when I'm fed up with this one I might invest in the new one. So all I've done is I've taken some Whisper White and I've made it 5 by 4 inches. So my card is 8 by 5. That means I can get 2 from a piece of A4. Just scored at 4 and burnished. And then what I've taken is from my stack of DSP. What I did was all my retired DSP I chopped into 6 by 6s and I sold it off or gave it away. There was tons of it, and I kept some for myself just to use for little projects like this. And yeah, I picked out this lovely leaf one. I can't remember which design it, which stack it came from now, but there it is. And this is 4 7/8 by 3 7/8. And then I took a piece of basic black, which measures, I think it's 3 1/8 by 3 3/8, yeah, 3 1/8 by 3 3/8, because the white measures 3 by 3 1/4, and then just stamped, and I just used Memento black on that. That was a gift actually from Anne. So yeah, and then I'm just going to layer that up like that. And then I found another black and white pattern, which I think might be from the same set, I'm not sure. And I'm going to do the same with that, all the same sizes. And then with the bits I cut off those, so this piece is 4 7/8, but it is 2 1/8 wide, as is that one. And I'm just going to use one of those and just show you that you can make an equally nice card without a full background. Okay, so I'm just going to speed it up while I put these together. I'm going to be using Tombow for to attach the DSP to the cardstock and to attach the sentiment to the black background, but then I'll be using dimensionals to attach the black background to the DSP. And it's a nice way of making a little batch of thank you cards. It's always handy to have some thank you cards around because, you know, like when I sell things or somebody sends me a little gift or whatever, they're really useful to have around. Thank you cards are good also to make in little batches to sell at craft fairs and things like that, because again, there's something that people like to have around. So, or to put into a mixed bag if you're going to sell sort of 5 cards or something, and you have a couple of birthday cards and a couple of thank you cards or something in there. And then, like I said, use the dimensionals to just pop them back there. there we have it. Quite a nice little card there to go in with something that somebody's bought from me. I'll do the rest. And there you have it. Four lovely thank you cards. Really simple, really easy. They're beautiful. So simple and straightforward. So thanks for joining me, and join me again soon for some quick and easy card making ideas. Where's another card gone? It's got lost inside there. Thank you, bye bye.